You must accept the change.
Ha!
Come here, traitor.
Don't you dare tell me that.
Esto es una prueba en español.
Follow me.
Good luck.
Hi, I'm Hadi, the Resistance Commander. Welcome. From these headquarters, we organize the last defense against Corp Eggs Smiling. We have 4 bases. Each one provides different types of resources to the other 3. But, unfortunately, we have been attacked by the corporation, losing contact with them. Could you help us? Your main mission will be to travel to each of the zones, fix the mess that the cyborgs have caused, and destroy them. Rossum Station. Dr. Pest is intoxicating the base. We need you to destroy it, but remember to get a gas mask before. Terminus Station. 2 cyborgs are destroying the machines. We need to restore the energy. Try to set a trap to destroy them. Gaia Station. We need to keep the lines active and stock up on arms, and that the corporation does not take all the members of the Resistance. We've been developing a virus for a long time to destroy its central AI, but we did not know how to get there. You will be our Trojan horse. We will introduce the virus into your system so that it is you who infects its central system. I have an idea. We already have all the spheres. We can finally decipher all the code.
你好
Guten Tag.
Hola.
I can hear your footsteps. Ah! There you are! Did you think you'd gotten away?
Interesting. Maybe you are the key to end all this once and for all.
Woohoo!
Ouch! Ouch!
Welcome to the new normal.
No!
Welcome to the new normal.
The corporation managed to finish its first prototype of a cyborg identical to humans. But according to what it says here, it came out defective and escaped destroying one of its laboratories.
Take a deep breath and sleep. Take a deep breath and sleep. Ew!
Thanks.
Wait! It can't be! The prototype is you!
What do you want?
Worthless.
Yeah. Yes.
You will work for me